Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. Big surprise. Got it revealed, coming right up. Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. Without further ado, here's the big surprise. It is a DJI Mavic Air. Bill, you bought a Mavic Air. Actually, no, I didn't buy a Mavic Air. I want to thank our good friends at Florida Drone Supply. Janelle, who is in partnership with her husband with Florida Drone Supply, they have let me borrow this brand new Mavic Air to put it through its paces, and that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. So they'll be putting out several videos on it. We'll be doing a first flight video on it. We'll be going through some of the new cinematic modes with it. We'll be getting it through its paces pretty good over the next few days, so expect a few videos out there. So please tell others. We're gonna do this. So it should be interesting. I'm very excited to get this out. I'm going to be able to get it charged up tonight and ready to go for tomorrow. So, and the weekend looks like I'm going to have some good weather here in Florida. So I should be able to get this up for some good flights and get you some good footage. And be able to provide some good feedback on it. I can tell you from looking at it aesthetically, build-wise, it looks very solid. One of the things right away that impresses me is that they have a cover over the lens. That's something I really wish that they would have done with the Spark. So kudos to DJI for that. But like I said, the build quality on this, from what I see, is just absolutely fantastic. I'm very impressed with it. And it's also something to get used to is having not foldable props. That's a different thing, because having the Mavic and the Spark, of course, they're folding props on it. So, but anyway, enough about all that. One of the things you won't be seeing from me is an unboxing video. There are unboxing videos are a dime a dozen right now. So I'm going to be skipping that. But like I said, this is a brand new Mavic Air. Again, thank you so much, Janelle from Florida Drone Supply. If you live in the state of Florida and need a DJI product, please use Florida Drone Supply. I got my Mavic Pro from them. I ordered it on a Friday night at 6 o'clock. It was on my doorstep Saturday morning at 10 o'clock. And the shipping rates that they charge are extremely reasonable. So if you live in the state of Florida, again, please consider no other DJI source other than Florida Drone Supply. They are absolutely fantastic. So again, you know, I'll put a link in the description for their website, their Facebook page. You cannot go wrong in dealing with them. But again, I'm very excited to have this. I'm very excited to get this charged up and out tomorrow, and we're headed for sounds like some good weather this weekend. So please do tell others about these series of videos that are coming up and share it with them, because I really like to put it through its paces, and you'll get some good videos out there. So thank you so much for all the subscribers who've recently come on board. I can't thank you enough. You're what drives me to continue to do this channel and put out quality content for everybody. Please, again, let others know about this channel. Hit the like button and subscribe. Also, check out my Facebook page, where I do put daily updates regarding anything regarding the drone industry, and also my blog, where I do all of that, plus all the videos that we put out there get posted out there as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and happy flying.